What are Demeter's symbols? Have you ever wondered what symbols representing Demeter, the ancient Greek goddess of the harvest and agriculture? Her symbols are rich with meaning and reflected her vital role in women's culture and heritage. Let's take a closer look at what these symbols are and what they signify. One of the primary symbols associated with Demeter is wheat and grain. These elements were essential to the agricultural life in ancient Greece. Wheat stalks and ears of grain symbolize fertility, abundance, and sustenance. Women often played a key role in farming, overseeing the planting and harvesting of these crops. Another important symbol is the cornucopia, also known as the horn of plenty. This symbol is depicted as a horn-shaped container overflowing with fruits, flowers, and grains. It represents abundance and nourishment, highlighting Demeter's connection to the earth's bounty and the nurturing aspects of femininity and motherhood. The scythe is also a significant symbol linked to Demeter. This tool is used for harvesting crops and signifies her role in the agricultural cycle. It represents the practical knowledge that women passed down through generations about farming and food gathering. Bread and harvest grains are further symbols associated with Demeter. Bread, made from grain, emphasizes the transformation of raw crops into food. This process is deeply connected to women's traditional roles in food preparation and preservation. Additionally, a basket filled with flowers, grain, and fruit reflects the nurturing qualities of Demeter. This symbol showcases the diversity of crops and the natural abundance associated with her. Demeter is also connected to sacred animals, including the pig and the snake. The pig symbolizes fertility and was often linked to fertility rites. The snake represents rebirth and the continuous cycle of life and death, further emphasizing the themes of renewal in Demeter's narratives. These symbols are deeply intertwined with women's roles in ancient agricultural societies. Women were often responsible for planting, tending, and harvesting crops, as well as preparing food. This connection made Demeter a central figure in women's cultural and spiritual life. The Eleusinian Mysteries, festivals honoring Demeter and her daughter Persephone, were significant religious events. They celebrated the earth's fertility and the seasonal cycles, reflecting women's connection to nature and the rhythms of life. The myth of Demeter and Persephone highlights themes of motherhood, loss, and renewal. Demeter's grief over her daughter's abduction and the resulting barren earth symbolize the vital link between women, fertility, and the sustenance of life. In summary, Demeter's symbols, wheat, cornucopia, scythe, bread, harvest grains, basket of produce, pig, and snake, embody the agricultural knowledge, nurturing roles, and spiritual heritage of women in ancient civilizations. They reflected the essential contributions of women to sustaining life through the cycles of nature and the cultivation of the earth.